to Foxtrot, hot pit 118.7 when clear the runway. Cobra Demar, boss.
Your boss, Cobra Zone.
Sir, airspace is yours, wind 160 at 8.
Airspace is ours, will be in a 1 minute.
Where's that?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are the Sky Soldiers, based out of Atlanta, Georgia. I'm your narrator, Cadet Jay Moss from the University of Georgia, Army, ROTC. At this time, look to your right as we fly in 4 tons of Army black and gold. Pitching his nose up now, lead pilot, Captain Jeff Moss, followed by the slot pilot, Lieutenant Colonel retired, Hayden DeHart. As we begin our show, watch these 2 ships slide to your left, demonstrating the helicopter's ability to fly in any direction. Forward, back, or sideways.
Yeah, like you did yesterday, okay? It'll be on mine. It's on me.
Lining up in the trail formation, one behind the other, they will increase airspeed and altitude as they turn outbound. The leader calls for the flight to join up in the Sky Soldiers echelon formation. Notice just how close the rotor tips are spinning towards each other, just under the speed of sound. The Cobra was designed from the beginning as the first true attack helicopter. It was designed with one job in mind, and that job was to annihilate the enemy, and destroy they did. The Cobra was tailored to be very aerodynamic, to virtually disappear when seen head-on by the enemy. As they turn to face us head-on, note the narrow, 3-foot wide fuselage. But don't let their small appearance deceive you. Watch now as we do our famous Cobra shotgun burst. Armed with 38 2.75-inch rockets, a 20mm Gatling-style machine gun, and tow missiles, the Cobra is lethal, deadly, and able to hunt the enemy down from miles away. Now we're going to show you a simulated tactical combat maneuver known as the return to target, or as snake pilots like to call it, the RTT. After that blazing attack, the pilots point the nose of the aircraft skyward to perform the combat maneuver known as the RTT. The purpose being to hit the target almost immediately after the first strike. Our Cobra gunships performing here today are veteran aircraft with a vast combat history, from Vietnam to Desert Shield and Desert Storm. They have been adopted and adapted by the Sky Soldiers, who have lovingly restored them to their current condition and continue to keep them flying in true military style. As the Cobras rejoin in an echelon formation, they will turn around to show you an attack used by attack helicopters.
See it? It's right above them, right now, up high.
The first Cobra will begin to dive and deliver lethal ordnance upon the enemy. As soon as he begins to pull off target, the slot Cobra rolls in, keeping the enemy pinned down in a never-ending stream of fire. All the team to form up in a right echelon formation for an air show photo pass. Folks, if you brought your cameras with you, now is the time to get them ready. The two helicopters in tight formation will fly down the crowd line from your right to your left.
It's calm. You want to use you too?
As they pass forward before you, remember, it takes more than an aircraft to make our foundation what it is today. It also takes committed volunteers with skills, dedication, and a passion to keep these aircraft flying. The photo pass now complete, lead calls for formation shift to echelon right as they begin their turn back towards show center. As the team gets set up for their next maneuvers, allow me to tell you about the Army Aviation Heritage Foundation. We began over 17 years ago in 1997 with 2 aircraft. Our purpose was to provide America's veterans a voice with which to tell their story to the American public. Get those cameras ready again as the aircraft approach from your left at show center. We will now begin with the team to break in precise 2-second intervals, then dive out of the sky. Gentlemen, now it's time to play Cobra Chicken. The 2 Cobras begin to climb up to a height of 800 feet above the ground and then dive straight toward each other. Left turns for 360 degrees and then chase each other at a speed of over 125 miles per hour, descending in a 360-degree arc, very close to the ground. What you're witnessing is both power and agility. Ladies and gentlemen, what you've seen today was a careful mixture of parade and combat flight maneuvers. We want to invite you to come visit us at our LC and take a ride in one of these historic Cobra attack helicopters or one of our historic Vietnam-era Huey helicopters. Your donation for the flight is tax deductible as we are a not-for-profit Veterans Foundation. And now all of us with the Sky Soldier demonstration team want to say thank you for supporting your United States military and all of the men and women who serve this great nation. We sincerely appreciate you taking the time today to attend the Tuscaloosa Air Show and watching our demonstration. As our team prepares to leave, they perform one last maneuver we like to call the snake dance. Arcing around in a 360-degree turn, the message we wish to convey is that we will defend against anyone who imposes a threat, implying we've got your back. Now our 2 Cobras will climb skyward to honor all of our military here today, active duty and veterans, men and women who serve and have served to defend our country. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me as we give those men and women here today a hearty round of applause. It has been our privilege to present to you the Sky Soldiers. We hope you've enjoyed the program, and let me invite you once again to come and join us at our Sky Soldiers trailer at the Ride LC and fly with the Sky Soldiers in a unique piece of American history, the UH-1 Huey and AH-1 Cobra. And ladies and gentlemen, how about one more round of applause for Captain Moss and Lieutenant Colonel DeHart?
Comes to B-17 to you. Gary holding short of Alpha on Fox. Gary, Air Boss. Go ahead and push the Air Boss free. 2-2 would be preferred. 2-2 would be preferred.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Sky Soldiers! Thank you for being here today. God bless you, and God bless America.